This video is my return to Cove Spring, a nature preserve just outside of Frankfort. As you can see, it was a dreary, overcast day. It was also cold, so I kind of had the park to myself. Cove Spring is a great place. It has a lower and upper part full of trails and all kinds of great scenes to paint. And on this day, I decided to simplify and zoom in, and what kind of forced me to do that was to paint on a 5x7-inch panel. This is Roger Snell. Welcome to my art journey as I track my progress and hope you learn along with me on plein air painting. For this painting, I focused on the dark log in the foreground, providing a nice contrast to highlight the wildflowers. Each time I do these little paintings, I hope to find what is best for a larger studio work in the future. There were only 3 other people in the park, and all 3 stopped by to watch me paint. I no longer fear this because the experiences are always positive, and in this case, a former nature guide who gave butterfly tours here asked for my business card and if this painting would be for sale. Watch to the end to see all the other paintings I've done at Cove Spring. Cove Spring had special meaning to me because my first painting sold at my first solo exhibition of a waterfall painting I did here. Please watch to the end to see those other paintings, and someday they might be larger studio works. Please leave a comment if there's any specific thing you like, and maybe even something you would like to see as a larger version hanging in your home. Thanks again for watching.